Hi everyone, and welcome to this Angular deep dive on advanced state management. If you have ever struggled with sharing data between components, keeping your app state consistent, or managing complex application logic, this course is for you. We'll start with the basics in the first module, where you'll learn what state really means in an Angular app. We'll explore local and global state and how to share this state using services and behavior subject, and when it's time to move to a more robust solution. In Module 2, we are going to introduce the NgRx, a powerful library for managing application state using a Redux-inspired architecture. You'll learn how to set up the store, define actions and reducers, select data from the state, and handle side effects and debug with the Redux DevTools. Then, in Module 3, we are going to take a step further with the modern high-performance state techniques. You are going to learn how to manage large collections with the NgRx entity and integrate Angular signals for fine-grained reactivity. By the end of this course, you'll have the tools and knowledge to manage state in Angular apps, for simple based approaches to advanced reactive architectures. Before you get started, there are a couple of things that you should know, especially if you want to follow along while I'm coding. For this course, I'm using the Angular 20 along with the Angular CLI version 20. I'm also using the Visual Studio Code as my coding editor and the latest versions of the NgRx and RxJS. This course is designed for the Angular version 16 and above, so if you're using any of these versions, everything should work just fine with minimal or no changes at all. If you are setting up your environment, I recommend matching these versions for the best experience. And if you want to use a different version of Angular, you can check out this page for the compatibility versions. You can also get a code that I'm going to use throughout this course in the exercise file section, and with that out of the way, let's dive in.